If you have watched Money Heist Season 3, one of the most popular TV series in the world, you are well aware of underwater welding. In fact, this is an event that is happening in many fields of the world. This is called hyperbaric welding. This can be described as a paying very high salaries and very risky job. This method was introduced to the world in 1932 by a group of engineers who worked under the Soviet Union. This method is widely used in oil platforms and pipelines. There are two basic types of underwater welding. They are called wet and dry. Wet method is the normal way. A sealed chamber is required for the dry method. In it where the welding is done. That method is safe, but its cost is high. Accidents such as electric shocks and lack of oxygen can occur during this time. In addition, there have been instances where life-threatening accidents have occurred due to the wires being entangled and unable to reach the surface.